Hi, today we are going to discuss about PHP. So third part. Now today we are going to discuss with working with PHP images. Basically, if you want to use PHP images, and you need to have a image manipulation like libraries like GD and Image Magic. We have a set of functions that you can able to create and manipulate the images programmatically. For example, you are going to adjust the color properties, and you can able to draw the images, and you can able to save in the different formats like PNG, JPG, etc. In order to do that one, and you can able to use the particular images formats, and there are different types of functions in Canva. You are going to use a image create color, and otherwise if you are using a GD, then you are having a new image click. If you want to define the colors, you can able to set a fill color in a image clip, and if you want to draw the shapes, and you can able to use a particular function image fill rectangle. So instead of rectangle, you can able to use a circle, square, and other kind of things. And if you want annotate image, you can able to use a annotate image, and you can able to fill and with the image with a desired color, and you can able to resize, and you can able to crop, and you can able to apply the effects. The different form of images are PNG, JPG, BMP, and other kind of formats, JPG, and so on. And even you can able to work with the GIF image. And here, if you want to get the output which should be saved in the format of a PNG, then you have to use a image followed by PNG. If you want to use a JPG, you can able to save the JPG. And if you want to save the image, so that can be used in the blob format. So here you are going to use an image with the particular get image blob. So here you are using a pointer to the image blob. Next, what is the file you need to install? So you need to get the particular file php gd2.dll, where you have to restart the particular file in your Apache, either you are using a XAMPP or WAMP. Now let us see this particular php gd2.dll, and where you need to place that particular file in order to use that file. Now you have downloaded the particular file. So now you need to have read the particular text file. So Windows 64. You need to click yes. So we have installed that particular file. Next, here you are having a different supported format. If you are using a Linux, then you have to install from the library png or zlibrary.net and so on. If you are using a Windows environment, we have downloaded the php gd2.dll file, where that one will be change the effect. So what we need to do is we need to restart the server. Now which server we are using? We are using a XAMPP server, and we are going to start and stop the server, and we have started the server. And if you want to configure the directory path, and you can able to go to the settings, and you can able to set the directory path, enabling the GD with the PHP Linux. You can able to have the extension, and you can able to edit the PHP ini file .ini file. So ini stands for information related file. You can able to modify that particular file. and how to activate the GD, and already I have downloaded php.gd2.dll, and we have taken that particular file in the Windows 64-bit and C drive Windows and sys.wow. In that file folder we have saved that particular file. And now what we have done, we have these particular libraries which is incorporated with that gd2.dll. Now drawing the shapes. Here you can able to draw the different lines and shapes, and you can able to use this kind of shapes: image ellipse, image arc, image polygon, image rectangle, and image line. So why we are using this one? In order to represent the graphical images and graph histogram analysis, stock market, and if you want to generate the graph performance based metrics, at the time we can able to use this kind of shapes and colors based upon the percentage. We can able to show how much graph based upon the things you are going to show. So next here we are having a filling colors. You can able to fill the different colors: image filled ellipse, image filled arc, and image filled polygon, and image fill rectangle, and whose coordinates are given, followed by the image which we are using, that particular image name, and the coordinates x1 y1 and x2 y2, and based upon the width and height you are going to specify. So next here the color which we are using navy, and the particular image arc pi. So it means you are going to generate a pie chart like that. Based upon the thing, you can able to set the coordinate and what is the starting and ending coordinates which you can able to specify. And here with the color specified black specify the color, filling the rectangular area with the black color. Like that you can able to fill the particular colors depending upon your necessity. So here we are having an example program, so where we are going to create a triangle image. Now what we are doing here, we are going to create a variable im is a variable where it is going to store the creating the image with a 200 coordinates. So next here we are having a white and black, and where we are going to create a color, and we are going to allocate the hexadecimal color 0xff. So triangle is having a three sides, so we have taken the three particular colors among the shapes. So first one is color allocate white and color allocate black. So where we are going to take the im is the image, it is going to create with the coordinates 200, and we are going to set the points. So points is a variable where we are going to set the points in an array. Inside an array we are going to define the three particular things, so of the particular area of a triangle, so where we are going to create the different sides of a particular triangle. For example, here we are going to create a triangle. So now here the different shapes will be identified, and different line coordinates are given. So next what we are doing, and we are going to fill the polygon triangle for the three defined points. So it means we are going to fill the polygons. So image filled polygon, so where we are going to specify the point. So what is the points? Points is an array where it is going to have the coordinates 150, 50 comma 150, 150 comma 150. It is going to show in a different thing. So next here we are going to use a header. So the content type will be saved in the PNG. So next output should be saved in the PNG, followed by the image create. Whatever the image you want to create, you are going to create an image. So finally image should be destroyed by using a image destroy, followed by the particular name im. Now if you are going to execute this particular program, where I am going to save this program under exam. Here we are having a folder htdocs, examples is a folder. I am going to save the program triangle. .php. I am going to save under the all files. Now here I am going to refresh the directory and it has shown triangle.php. So now first it has created an image and later on it has created the triangle. So now you can able to see if you are going to save the image, save image as where it is going to save under the triangle. So like that you can able to save the particular image by the same file name, otherwise you can able to save the file name. Next, drawing an image, and you can able to draw the image. Here what we are doing, you are going to create the image with the coordinates 300 comma 300. Now here the colors we are going to specify is RGB, red, green, blue and white and black. 5 colors you are going to set: red, green, blue, black and white. And what you are going to do, you are going to allocate the image color specified by the coordinate 0 0 0, 255 255 255 255 and 0 255 0 and 0 0 and 255. Now you are going to fill the image with the 3 different colors, so which is red and white and red. And here you have created the 4 coordinates x1 y1 x2 y2 coordinates of a particular rectangle. So basically rectangle is having a 4 sides, so you have created that one. So next you are going to create a content type as a image or png format. And what is the image? My image. What is the my image? You have created the image whatever the file name you have given, so based upon that you can able to create. After creating the image, you are going to destroy the image. My image is a variable where you are going to create the image. Now we are going to draw the image. Now I have given draw.php is a file name. Now if you are going to refresh the thing, go back and refresh. Now draw.php. So now you have drawn the 3 particular rectangles by the specified coordinates. Now here if you are going to adjust the particular colors, and here 20 and here 15, here minus 50, and if you are going to rerun the program, now the image has changed. And if you are going to adjust the other coordinates too, instead of 255 55 and here minus 55 and here minus 75, here minus 95. Now again if you refresh, the particular image has been changed. And it is important thing is you need to set the coordinates correctly, otherwise the image won't be appear clearly. So next, drawing the pie chart. If you want to draw the pie chart, you can able to set up the Canva colors and you can able to allocate the particular image. Now here we are using a RGB colors, so white, red, green and blue, and where you are going to fill the image by the arc, and where you have created a image as a variable, and now here you are using a image arc pie. By using a image arc pie, you can able to import the pie chart, so that you can able to fill the arc by the coordinates. So where 3 pi are, like that you can able to coordinate this particular pie chart. And if you want to draw the pie chart, you can able to compile this particular program. and now we have a pie chart where we have drawn the pie chart with the green and red and blue colors, and where it is going to divide the origin with the black color. Next, drawing the bar chart. If you want to draw the bar chart, where you can able to draw the particular bar chart in this manner. Histogram type of bar chart you can able to draw. In order to draw the bar chart, here you can able to specify the bar. Here we are using a bar height. What is the size of the bar height and all the things coordinates you are going to set. Now here we are using a my image create 300 are the coordinates, white image color allocate my image, and coordinates you have set 255 255 255. Now you have created a RGB properties with the color 2500 to 0255 255 and 00255, and you have created an array named data, and red you have given a 90 and green is 60 and blue is 120. Now here we have created a variable max value max data. What is data? Data is an array. Next, bar width is 50. It means this particular coordinates is 50. So next spacing is 20 and where x equal to 50. So now here we are using a for loop for each loop. So setting the data as color value. Whatever the data array we have set 60, 90, 60, 120. So those particular value will be iterated each and every time. 90 first and next 60, next 122. Now here we are having a bar height. Based upon the width, we are going to allocate the bar height. The particular value. So whatever the value is given to the particular array divided by maximum value. The maximum value of the particular data is 120 into 200. So that scale will be allocated. So next, how much the image should be filled. So that is reduced by minus bar height. Similarly, here we have given a formula where we are going to convert into the lower case. So then we are going to use the color. So if there are any string you are going to use, so that particular thing will be converted into the lower case. So next header, the content type is image png. So next image png my image. Finally you are going to destroy the cycle of the particular image. Now bar.php, and now we have drawn the bar chart by the specified color RGB or the color properties which we have given. So next, creating the dynamic charts using a PHP, and you can able to use the particular website called canva.js.com, and where you can able to embed or you can able to use this kind of analysis of different charts. So here you can able to download the Canva JS, or you can able to install via npm, and if you are going to click, so what kind of charts you are really required, so then you can able to use that kind of code. So here the codes are available, just you can able to see what kind of codes they have embedded here. So just they have given the link http cloud canva.js, so that you can able to import this kind of a code in your file. For example, if I am going to copy this code and pasting here, so now just I am going to type a canva.php. So here, even though you can able to name a simple HTML file as a PHP file. Now canva.php. So now you can able to see this particular chart: apple, orange, banana, mango, and grape. These kind of charts where you can able to really embed in your PHP pages. So next, loading the image by URL, and you can able to load the image by the URL also. So where you can able to use the images within your page. For example, if you are going to consider the path from where you are going to save the particular image, image1.jpg, image2.jpg in your HD doc, and where you can able to load the similar kind of images. So next, you can able to set the start time, set the time limit, and you can able to set the start time with how many milliseconds. And here you are using a enhanced for loop and image URL as a URL. So what is the URL of the image? So here you have specified the two images, image1, image2. Those are the image format. And next, getting the image, suppressing with the error, file get content URL, and where you are going to use the particular URL. So if the image data is not equal to false, so if then it is going to process the code, so then it is going to show the image data. So whatever the data is there, so that particular data will be shown. So else it is going to show an error. So error in loading the image URL. So next, end time, then execution in seconds. So now first we need to create the image1.jpg, image2.jpg in your folder. For example, here what I am doing, I am using a snipping tool. Just I am going to save this particular thing as image1. So whatever the name we are using, so that should be in the same image name. So where I have to save C drive exam ht docs. ht docs is a folder where I have to save image1.jpg. So what is the kind of file, and I am going to save start.dll, and next one basic column chart which we are having. The two images are shown, but on the browser what you need to do, you can able to set the coordinates, and also what it has shown the execution time. So how much faster you have executed the program, so that also it has shown. So how much milliseconds it has been taken. So where we have specified the execution time, end time minus start time. So where it will be shown in the execution time, that is shown here. So next, drawing charts by URL. Already we have seen how to draw the chart by the URL, and we have used the CDN cloud.js, apple, orange, mango, banana, grape. So that one we have seen already. Next, loading the charts. You can able to load the particular chart from where you have loaded, and here we are using a bar chart, and how you are going to use the colors. So next, applying encryption and decryption. This is the most important crucial thing for any programmer, because without encryption and decryption, the any particular third party attacks may be happen. So which is insecure for any programmer. They have to follow some kind of rules. For that, you are having a encryption and decryption process. So it is the process where your readable code will be converted into the unreadable code, and where unreadable code will be converted into readable code who is having a key. For that purpose, we are having a different kind of algorithms. So first one is symmetric algorithm. We are having two algorithms, AES and DES algorithms. Advanced encryption standard algorithm, and which uses 128, 192, 256 bits. And another one is the data encryption standard. It uses the 56 bits. So next, asymmetric key algorithm. So where we are using a RSA algorithm, reverse Shamir Alderman algorithm, where it uses a pair of public and private keys, and the next one is elliptic curve cryptography. It provides a shorter length compared to RS. So next, hash functions. We can able to use two different things which we are using normally. So these are SHA-256 and MD5. These two hash functions are widely used nowadays. So next, key exchange algorithm, Diffie-Hellman key exchange algorithm, where it allows two parties to establish a shared secret over a untrusted network. So next, digital signature algorithms. We are having two things. First one is digital signature algorithm and elliptic curve digital signature algorithm. So next, hybrid crypto systems, and combining the symmetric and asymmetric encryption, we can able to use a hybrid. So this is used under the Bitcoin. So next, homomorphic encryption allows computation performed on encryption without decrypting it, providing the privacy for sensitive information during the process. So how we are going to convert this encryption into decryption? For example, password. So password, whoever the particular person is entering the password. So now echo, we are trying to print the password. So how you are going to print the password? So whenever we are using, in order to convert the particular password into the MD5, so what we have used? So we have used a MD5. So converting the password into MD5 and printing the password. So now just I am going to save the program with MD5. So now what I am doing, I am going to compile this particular program. Here md5.php. So now it has converted into the unreadable format. So now what I am doing, I am going to open ChatGPT. So it has hashes for password. So it has shown the password by using a ChatGPT. It has shown it is known like password. So next, converting the MD5 using the forms. So you can able to create a form. So by using a HTML, and you can able to accept the data as a password, and you are going to submit the data. If password is matched, it is going to show password has matched. Otherwise, it is going to show a password doesn't match. For example, here PHP is a program where you are going to accept the form data. Input type just a password field and a submit button asking the password. Now here just already we have created a password equal to pass, because here we have given a string PASS. So if it whatever the password you have typed, if it matches the string, so then it will be accepted. Otherwise it is going to show wrong password. Here what we are doing, whatever the content entered by the user, so here password is the thing entered by the user through a form, that will be converted into MD5. Now entered password will be checked by the if condition. So post password, so which is not equal to the password. It means here we are going to check the new password equal to post password. So whatever the past password we have used by using a method post, we are having a form action methods, so do get and do post. By using a do post method, we have passed the password. So and if is set the password, so is and not empty, so then it is going to check compare the password, new password equal to old password. So now here what we are doing, so converting with the MD5, new password will be converted MD5, and old password which we have typed also converted with the MD5, and a comparison will be done. So if both are equal, then password is matched, otherwise password doesn't match. So now I am going to copy the program, and I have saved the program, and go back and refresh. Password.php 123, just I have typed 123. 123 password doesn't match, and I am going to type pass and submit. Password match, it is going to show password is matching. And if I am going to type some other word, password doesn't match. Format of MD5. So because here we have given echo MD5 password, because of that reason it is showing at the top.